Today, I'll walk you through how to create a monthly planner in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your planner so you can stay organized and on top of your tasks. First, let's get started. Open your OneNote desktop app. This is your digital notebook where all the magic will happen. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same, just like opening a blank canvas before you start painting. Next, navigate to the page where you want to add your monthly planner. Think of this page as the foundation of your planner, similar to choosing the right spot to build a house. Now take a screenshot of your calendar. This will serve as a reference for your planner. You can easily find a calendar online or use your own. Having a visual guide will help you stay aligned with the actual dates and days of the month. Once you have your reference, it's time to create the planner itself. Make a table with 11 rows and 7 columns. The rows will represent the weeks, while the columns will represent the days of the week. This structure is like setting up the framework of a building. It provides support for everything else you will add later. Now fill in the dates in every other row and label each column with a corresponding day of the week. This step is crucial as it lays out the timeline for your plans. Imagine it as laying out the schedule for a big event. Clarity is key. Once your calendar is made, it should resemble a grid with dates and days clearly marked. This is your planner in its early stages, ready to be filled with your tasks and appointments. Next, we'll use the blank rows in the calendar as the space where we jot down our plans for each day. This is where the real organization happens, just like filling in the details of a project plan. Finally, don't forget to resize the calendar based on your preference. You want it to be visually appealing and easy to read. Adjusting the size is like choosing the right font for a presentation. It makes a significant difference in how your information is perceived. And there you have it. You've successfully created a monthly planner in OneNote. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.